Hello guys and welcome back to another video from Cebu Life. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Boya BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid microphone. This microphone is compatible with both a smartphone and a DSLR. Let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, so we have the user guide, which no one actually reads. The mount, which has an adapter for hot shoe and also a screw, so you could attach this one to a tripod, which actually is one of the good features about this holder, because most microphones, like the one we're using to record this audio now, has a mount for attaching it to a hot shoe, but doesn't have an option to install it on a tripod. We have the TRRS, or the TRS to TRRS cable, and this is the cable that you're gonna use if you want to connect the microphone to a smartphone. It's actually labeled, so you don't have to worry. So both ends are labeled. For example, this end goes to the microphone and this end goes to the smartphone, so very handy. The TRS cable that we use for the DSLR, and no labels needed because you can actually interchange. Both tips have the same number of holes. It has a leather pouch, very good. The dead cat. Okay, let's see. It's not very easy to remove, which is good, so that the dead cat won't fall off while you're using the microphone outside. And of course we have the microphone, so it's made out of metal, okay, which is very good. Let's see, plug it into the mount. Okay. It's not very easy to plug into the mount. Okay, there. It's pretty small, so I have here my camera with a 24mm lens, and let's see. Okay, so it's actually fairly small, which makes this setup much more versatile or compact. So I was originally using the 18-135 lens for my DSLR, but recently I've started using a prime lens, which is the 24mm, to make the setup smaller. So that's it for what's inside the box. So to review, we have the microphone, which is made of metal, its holder. We have the dead cat, the DSLR cable, the smartphone cable, and the leather pouch. Well guys, so this is how the internal or the built-in microphone of the smartphone sounds like. So just to give you an idea about what's going on, so obviously we are indoors, we are inside a room, but we have a fan that's running at the back, but it's about like 7-8 feet away, so I'm not sure if you could hear that. outside it's still very noisy because it's still peak hours for traffic. So outside there are some motorcycles with loud pipes. So this is how it sounds like. I'm gonna connect the microphone now. Okay, so I have the microphone mounted on top of the phone using my Ulanzi phone holder, and it's made of metal. It's very good. Actually, if you want to purchase the Ulanzi phone holder as well with the cool shoe mount, so you could put on a microphone like this one, we have, or I have, a link on the description below. So you guys check it out. You can order it online and have it shipped to your address wherever you are in the Philippines. So the setup is on top of the Ulanzi phone holder. I have the microphone and I installed the dead cat already. I'm not gonna be testing it without the dead cat because most times when I'm gonna be using the microphone, I'm gonna be using the dead cat as well. So how does it sound? How does it differ? The situation is still the same. We have a TV running in on the other room. It's audible from where I'm at, and we still have the fan about 7 8 feet away at the back. Still some motorcycles running outside. So this is how it sounds. Is it any good? I don't know yet. So I'm gonna listen to how it sounds. How it sounds when I bring this recording to my computer.